Sikatong palakpakan ang Horizon Club ng
Philrice Agusan. So we are having actually a presentation, some sort of presentation, singing presentation with the to be presented by the Philrice Agusan staffers. So these are the farmers attending the field day. Actually guys, he's one of the best singers in the station. So happy to look at this now. Philrice Agusan staffers are very talented, isn't it? See, they're very talented guys. So I think that I need to cut this video.